Forecast now. Maddie, we are dealing with some flurries this morning, but nothing really too bad right now.
No, I'm not too concerned about the flurries that we've got out there right now. Just going to be some run-of-the-mill flurries and cloudy conditions that we have out there right now. Let's get you out live here in downtown Columbus. You can see the cloudy skies, and you can even make out where the flurries may be trying to still make it to the surface. We do have some relatively drier air now in place, making that kind of hard to happen, but that's a little bit of a weather nerding out there, but 35 degrees is what we're looking at currently, feeling more like 27 with that west wind at 12 miles per hour. So it is feeling colder than that 35. So just mind you, as you're heading out the door, you'll definitely want to bundle up because it is cold. Now, what brought us the flurries was this area of low pressure we were tracking yesterday. It has actually since moved off to our north and east. Right now, we're seeing some of the heaviest of the snowfall well off to our north up towards Cleveland. And here in central Ohio, a lot of that snow has come to an end. We were watching as a few snow flurries were trying to get going right over, it looks like Hocking Hills State Park, but it looks like for the most part, all of those snow flurries have since kind of fallen apart. And that's also down towards Logan in Hocking County. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about our forecast for the day today. So basically what you see out there is what we'll get more of for the day today. Just a few flurries in the mix and cloudy skies. So our Friday is going to be kind of a gloomy day today with cloudy conditions and a few flurries in the mix. Here's a snapshot of 5 o'clock. So if you've got any plans to be out and about on the town, just know that it will be pretty cloudy for us and cold. Heading towards tomorrow morning, we'll start things off with some clouds and a little bit of sunshine mixing in, especially for our south locations. And then later on into the day, especially right around lunchtime, we will finally watch as these clouds erode and we'll see some sunshine finally. So the second half of our Saturday will feature some sunshine. So you will need the sunglasses if you plan to be out and about for your Saturday tomorrow. With that said, here's a look at our weekend forecast. Unfortunately, that sunshine we will see peak out tomorrow will not last all weekend. Yeah, we got clouds and we even have some rain and snow moving back into the region. That'll be heading into our Sunday. Now, if you're worried about issues on the roadways, I will tell you one thing, that the weather models behind the scenes have been pretty consistent with showing just rain for this event. And it has to do with the timing of when this area of low pressure is moving in. See the time here at the top of your screen, this is 3 p.m. As the system moves in during the afternoon, we'll be nice and warm. So most of this precipitation that comes down will be in the form of rainfall. Now, that's not to say that the first part of the event, which is early Sunday and then late Sunday night heading into Monday, we won't close out with a couple of snow showers. So it is something that we're watching. Of course, if this system does slide off to more to the north, we get more cold air, things could change. But as it stands, Sunday is likely just going to feature just those scattered rain showers during the afternoon. Taking a look at our 10-day forecast here. And, you know, today, one of the coldest days that we have in this 10-day forecast. So we'll get it out of the way, you know, 39 degrees. And heading into the weekend, I think the pick day of the weekend is definitely tomorrow. That's because we'll see that sunshine, despite the fact that tomorrow is the colder day of the weekend. Sunday, we'll have that rain moving in. Look for scattered rain showers for the most part, maybe some snow mixing in early and also mixing in late. And then we'll head into next week with the temperatures warming up to the mid-40s with cloudy conditions as we head through our Wednesday.